Welcome back, everybody. In this video, we're gonna draw Leomon from Digimon. Okay, so it's finally time I draw one of the strongest Digimon in town. Anyways, you see, Leomon is actually one of the strongest Digimon, and okay, it's really hard to explain actually. Leomon is a proud warrior, and he has a signature ability called Fist of the Beast King, and he's a symbol of pride and is king of the jungle, like a normal lion is. Waited a long time for this. Now let's get started. So when drawing Leomon, you must start with the eyes, then work your way down up here. Now I just draw his earring here. There we go. There we go. Now we just draw his mane. There we go. If you guys aren't familiar about this, but I'm sure you already know, a lion is an African cat, and known as the king of the jungle and king of the savannah. I'm sure you are familiar with the Disney Pixar's original film, The Lion King. And of course, I did see the Broadway version. One of the cool things about one of my favorites.
Into the bad times changed again. Forced to do it all without you, I'll survive. I learned from you what I should do is keep the good in mind. Gotta keep my wish inside and believe it too. I hope it ain't too much. It's to stay with you. Sure enough.
There we go. There's Matt Leomon's head. Now we just draw the rest of his body. Here's the pecs here.
Running high to the sky, even if I cry, never losing with the crew, let's get it on. All for one, gather up your prayers, head to head, try to find
There we go.
nothing that's a feeling on my path is clear.
There's Leomon's fist.
We never need to stop till we break on through to the top. For the biggest explosion, burning out of motion, hard like a kick a bomb, not enough to set it off.
There we go.
Going all the way up. It's time to see places we've never seen before. We can make it into a new day. All the pain we give and take never changes how I feel. You're my family, and my love for you is real. We're down by love, and it's all because
Go. Here are the scars on his arm here.
it's yours and mine to decide. Now it's time to go. We can make it. No one can stop this. There's a future in our heads. No good words can confess. You're my family, and I'll never change our dream. We are down by love till the stars are gone. And it's burning away. Will the feel the same? We are down by love every time we cross. Victory's gonna feel. Woo, we do it for real.
There we go. There's his sword. This thing is one of my favorite Digimon Adventure Tri characters. There we go. And lastly, let's draw the scabbard sticking out of his back here. And finally, we just have to draw the tail. And there. And that's how you draw Leomon. You guys like him? I know I do. Leomon was seen in a lot of Digimon adventures and episodes, which is why I consider him one of my favorites. Definitely one of the strongest Digimon in my set. Anyways, that's how you draw Leomon. Please leave a comment below on what character you guys want me to draw next, and please like, remark, and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, Stegosaurus, see you later.